Breaking news now, getting exclusive access to the shelter, helping dozens of migrants after being released from ICE custody, awaiting their asylum court date.
Our attendance reporter Laura Acevedo is joining us. And Laura, you were the only one allowed inside this San Diego Rapid Response Network.
Yeah, and this is a story that we have been working on for months. We can't say exactly where the shelter is because volunteers want to protect the migrants. Today, there were 59 people inside of that shelter, many of them children, all of the adults wearing ankle monitors. Volunteers tell me they are overwhelmed and haven't even started helping the migrants from the most recent caravan.
Romero.
It's the 8th day at the Rapid Response Network shelter for Delmi Romero and her 4-year-old son, Oliver. She says she heard about the caravan and decided it was her opportunity to leave Honduras, traveling for a month and a half. Romero tells me she left to keep Oliver from seeing violence and crime in her neighborhood, spending 4 days in federal custody, then released with an ankle monitor and an asylum court date. And that's where the shelter comes in.
This is a place where they're safe, where they can have a meal, where their children can play and not be afraid that they're not going to see mom and dad again.
Rapid Response usually houses people 24 to 48 hours. When someone shows up, they first meet with a doctor, then to an intake room where volunteers make travel arrangements with family already in the country. But Romero has no family in the U.S., so volunteers are still looking for a plan to help her. This is one of 3 sleeping quarters in the shelter. This one has 67 beds where the migrants get to stay as a family. But the shelter says they're running out of resources to continue helping.
And we've made this loud and clear to local government that if this does increase tomorrow, we don't have the capacity, the resources to take this on.
The shelter can house 50 to 100 a night. The migrants are fed 3 times a day. They're each given a full set of clothing, and sometimes the network funds their travel plans. Romero is holding on to her faith, saying she trusts God will continue to help her in her journey. Now, the city tells me they are looking at all options to help the Rapid Response Network, but the shelter says they'd like those talks to turn into action.
We're hearing more and more of these personal stories, and a lot of them are mothers with small children trying to escape the violence in Honduras.
Right, and for Romero, she's not sure where she's going to go.
Wow, it's a really interesting look. Thank you, Laura.
Thank you.